Welcome to episode 194 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at how to trade using Heikin Ashi candlesticks. Heikin Ashi candlesticks are kind of nice because they smooth out the price action and they help us first enter the trade and also stay with the trade longer. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what Heikin Ashi candlesticks looks like and how to enter a trade based on this type of trade setup. Here we are looking at a Heikin Ashi trade setup. This is Pound New Zealand 1 hour chart. The benefit of using Heikin Ashi candlesticks is that it is easier to identify a trend using Heikin Ashi candlesticks, whereas with regular candlesticks, it may be a little bit more challenging to read the candlesticks because Heikin Ashi actually averages out and smooths out the curve on these candles. It becomes easier to identify the trends. So in case of Heikin Ashi candlesticks, what I'm looking for is a turning point. In this case, as we can see, when price is going higher, all the pins are on the upside, and then it comes into this support resistance area over here and starts to put pins on the top. And as you can see, there are pins starting to develop on the bottom here as well. When that happens, that means there's uncertainty in the market. And then finally, we see that the candlesticks change color. Here, the candlesticks do change color, but they're quite small. So we are looking for a good size candlestick. So once we get a couple of good sized candlesticks, they have changed color to red. Now we know that price is likely to drop. So we enter our trade short here after we get two solid red candlesticks. In this case, we do follow our support resistance levels and we just combine them with the Heikin Ashi candlesticks just like we would with normal candlesticks. So in this case, we enter the trade short. Our stop would go above the high here and we want to make sure that price has some room to move in case price does go higher here. So once we enter the trade short after two good candlesticks, we stay with the trade. And a good thing with the Heikin Ashi candlesticks is that as the price is dropping, we see that the top of the candlesticks here, there aren't very many pins, just one here, but the rest of the candlesticks are pretty smooth. That means the trend is still to the downside. And once we see that they start to flatten out, that's the time we exit the trade. So we come into the next support resistance area and price starts to go sideways. So this is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 160 pips in the trade. So just to recap, Heikin Ashi candlesticks are great for identifying a trending market, and they help us stay with the trade for a longer period of time. So as long as the candlesticks are red and there are no pins on the top, we are good. Once price flattens out, that's when we get out of the trade. So in this case, what we're looking for here is we still use our support resistance area. We see that price is forming a double top here, and we see two candlesticks that are solid and candlesticks have changed color. That's when we would enter our trade short. The stop would be above the highs here, just making sure there's enough room on top. And we stay with the trade for as long as price is dropping and there are not, and we don't see any pins on the top. Once price comes into the next support level here, price flattens out, and that's a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 160 pips in the trade. So our profit is 160 pips or $1,600 if trading one standard lot.
If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to like it, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. And I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.